very tasty. Same.
Today, I would like to share a common and a famous dish loved by all. Potato chop is one of the most lovable food by most of us, especially the young ones. Homemade food are the healthiest food we can give to our children. I am sharing a recipe how to make tasty potato chop and fingers at your home. To prepare this dish, we need some very common food items like bread or bun, which should be crushed, beans, carrot, black pepper, garam masala, mixed masala, dhania powder, jeera powder, red chili powder, salt, onion, curry leaves, crushed ginger, chili, and boiled potato. Before starting this recipe, I would like to show you how to crush the bread and bun using a mixer grinder. Now crush the potato using a spoon or your hands and mixed it properly with all the ingredients. After crushing the bread and bun, cook the beans and carrots for a few minutes in low steam. After everything is ready, break an egg in a bowl. Now put the cooked beans and carrots inside the crushed potato, and after packing it properly, dip it in the egg bowl. After it is wet, cover it with the crushed breads and buns. It should be covered properly. I am showing how to make fingers. Flatten the potato balls and give a shape like our fingers using your hands. Now dip it in the egg bowl and cover it with the powdered bread and buns. Now fry it until it turns red brownish in color and serve it hot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.